guys, it's JetRex103, and today we are doing a game called Pokemon Fighter EX. I've seen somebody called Think See It play it, so yeah, I decided to do it on my channel. And I'm going to pause you guys until I get to level 36, so wait. Okay, it won't let me move whenever I pause the video, which is weird, so. Oh, there's a portal up there. Yeah, I'm going to head to this portal over here. I've seen it before, it's like craziness. There's an apple. I've seen that before. It's really cool. You can't get him. Let's see. He might be in the new updates.
That your friend?
Apple?
Yeah.
You don't see him in too many episodes. I mean, you see him on rare occasions.
No, wait. That guy's stealing out the glass?
Oh, Charmeleon? Yeah. I love Charmeleon.
Yeah.
And guys, also, if there was one thing I could change in Pokemon Break Bonds, it would be so you can move your camera. That gets kind of annoying at times. There's the portal. Hit. It's always hard to get to the portal. There.
Please walk.
And I go. Did they change the parkour or something? It kind of looks like it.
Get that place.
Okay, I'm going to go on first person because that might make it easier. Right as I say that, back to die. Oh gosh.
You don't let your pet die.
No! Dang it! That's hard.
Try to do it again.
Nah. Charmander. No, not Squirtle. Nobody likes Squirtle. Squirtle. Blech. Just kidding. No offense to whoever likes Squirtle. Please don't subscribe.
You like Pearl White?
Not my favorite, but sure I'll praise him.
You said we don't like him. You said we don't like him?
Oh, guys, there's also a trick. Oh, yeah, that thing. That's weird. I think that you say, like, Zapdos powered the beach or something. I'm gonna go see if that still works. But I want some. It's like a really cool trick. I've seen people.
Don't go in there.
Okay.
Pretty scary.
Okay.
Now,
Actually, I'm gonna switch to Squirtle for this so it doesn't take as long. And Squirtle. Play. Yeah.
Squirtle.
Oh, it's open already. Somebody already said it.
Go to the beach. Hey!
There's Arceus.
No, maybe it's a different one.
No, that's Arceus.
Let's go see what These are... Wait.
Yeah, I remember that. Okay. You're supposed to say like Zapdos power.
You're a worm.
No, I'm not a worm.
Yeah.
Okay. Zapdos power. Zapdos powered. Wild Latios!
Wait, that's not.
Yeah, it said Wild Latios. Oh god. Latios used to be like here. If he's not here, I'm gonna be mad. Wait, Squirtle's level 37? Oh, that's nice. Huh, huh, huh. Latios, here I... There he is, Latios! Oh. Guys, guys! First legendary! Yeah! I can't believe it, guys. I found Latios. Oh, and a water stone. So now if I get Eevee, I can evolve into... basically, I evolve into my favorite one. But, I'm gonna change Pokemon quickly, and I'll be right back. I keep forgetting that I can't play unless I'm on camera. It's weird. Bronzor? Who's Bronzor? Oh, yeah, Bronzor.
You know... Wait!
Sandile? I forgot who Sandile is. Isn't that like...
him.
Brayden, be quiet.
You know him.
This friend can just been... Where's... Oh, yeah. I can just search it. Can't I?
You don't have him before.
Latias. Lapras. There's Lapras.
Listen.
Play. Oh, gosh. This is insane. Not Lapras. Latios.
Go in the water with him.
Oh, yeah. He can make it evolve. I totally forgot. Yeah, that's cool. But, guys... Who would have thought? A legendary in the first episode.
Hey, try and bring that guy in the lava.
Oh yeah, I need to go to the toxic. The funniest thing is there. Ah! If you haven't seen this on Things Yet, it's hilarious.
It's snowing. Why is it not morning?
Because it's nighttime. I can't believe it though. Wait, what? Look. Okay, guys, I'm going to turn the camera. Okay, why is it doing that? No. You want to go haunt the town. Okay, please stop. No, I would not want to haunt the town. Okay, I'm going to head over here. There's a secret, like a hilarious secret here.
Okay, I'm doing this.
And, whoa, shiny Greninja? That's sick!
Push him in the water.
No, this isn't lava. This is toxic. Okay. Wait. Did they get rid of the secret? If so, I'm gonna be mad. No, they did. Best video ever. Okay, Brayden, no, down. No. Okay, so now that we've checked out Latias and we checked out that really cool secret, I'm gonna go back to... Actually, no, I want to see what Blastoise... Brayden, stop!
I'm trying to get up here.
Don't!
You just put the puddle there.
I don't care. Okay, wait. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, let's see him in his full glory. If you didn't know, if you look at what level he is right now, oh my gosh, he's already level 37. He looks so realistic.
Try
no.
use the bandit balls.
I can't.
The can.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to Charmander and I'm gonna try to get Charizard, like I said in this episode. But it isn't.
No, look.
Okay, one sec, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So yeah, also if you go in this building, you get Ghastly, but I've already done that. So yeah.
Don't go in there.
No, always go in there. Always go in there. Yeah, and the reason I'm doing like not PvP, RP is because nobody can hurt you, but it takes.
Because lava's fertile.
It's Lord Arceus! Oh, there's Ghastly. I could get Ghastly, I think. No, it's not Ghastly, it's Haunter!
Ghastly!
No, it's not Ghastly. What in the... Oh, man, he has... Out of all the Pokemon, he had to have it. There's Arceus!
Catch it.
No, I'm gonna try to find Lord Arceus' room. If you've never seen The Secret, there's like a room called Lord Arceus. Okay, that's cool. And it's like up here somewhere. There's a lot of unknowns where it is, so I think you should be. Yeah, right there. We need to be sneaked. Where is everybody? Okay. Wait, let me change.
Use him.
Whoa, I just saw Lupa. Okay, but we're gonna go into Lord Arceus' room, guys. A Kyogre?
Yeah, you buddy, get him.
Okay, wait. Why is that there? No. Evolve? No, I don't want to evolve, actually. Pokemon? Yeah, Kyogre's gone by now. I already know.
Get him.
I can't find Kyogre. What? It won't let me... Oh, there, finally. It wouldn't let me move for a second. Where's Kyogre? Like, where would he be? I bet somebody took it. Mwahaha. Wait. Why is he heading over there? Is Kyogre over here? Or am I just dumb? Oh, I need to. Hey, act like that's not a big deal. Where's Kyogre?
Listen, no way. Yes, right.
Okay, I'm going back to Charmander. That was weird.
He says, no way. You must listen to your voice. You like turtles.
Kyogre's a whale. Okay, I forgot what I was heading towards. That's not good, is it? Oh yeah, Lord Arceus' room. I didn't know who spawned in the middle because the middle's pretty far from here now. Ugh.
Yeah, hot tub. That's the hot tub.
Actually, Charmeleon's pretty fast, and this will get him leveled up. How come this isn't first person? Like, you press Q, then it says you're in first person mode. This is first person.
Yeah, you're really on that guy, right?
Okay.
Hey, look at this girl. Look at this girl.
I at least want to show you guys Lord Arceus' room before we end this. Where's the middle? Like, I think it's near here, so I'm gonna head towards it. No one escapes sand on the floor instead of the beach. What in the world are they saying? Oh, I know this Pokemon. Man, there seems to be a lot of them. You found... Yeah, he's one of the new ones. Pikachu, sure. Whatever.
Hey, what?
There's a Lapras! Yeah, if you didn't know how to get Wailmer, you have to get a level 30 Lapras. I want to do this before we end the episode, and I can't pause or else it wouldn't let me play. You said that.
Kids, don't do it.
There's Lord Arceus' room. I think we got enough time. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get chat up, like right now. No, I don't want D in chat. I guess I can't do chat right now. That was weird. Oh, actually, no, I do have chat up. Okay. I just want to go in here. It's super cool if you've never seen it. Okay. Shift. Lord.
Him in there.
No, Arceus.
Where him at?
I think that's where you would find him.
Where him at?
Lord Arceus. No? Is it in capitals or something? Lord
Where him at?
Arceus.
You're not on it? Yes, we
Yes. Lord Arceus. Huh.
What?
Oh, there's Hoopa
No, it's
showing off.
a big one.
That's Whistleboro Cave. Yeah, that was Hoopa. Oh, if you haven't seen this, I want to know if they actually still want you to defog the smoke. Yeah. You need to learn defog. Wow, Dialga? Atop the tower that holds the portal? Where's that? The tower that holds the portal? What does that mean?
No, look there.
There's Hoopa.
Get him.
I don't know where the tower that upholds the portal is. Like,
Get him.
what is that? I can't, Brayden. That's another player. Okay, I'm going to end this video soon. Is he up here or something?
There's the deed.
There's the portal.
You saw us.
Genesect! Everybody's going up here. I don't really think this is a tower, though. No, it's a woodcutter's tree. Look, everybody's going. Okay. I'm going to try to see if I can find it before the end of the episode. Let's do this. It won't let me up. Like, no joke. There's the Hoopa, for all I care. So many shiny Greninjas! I'm jelly. Okay, before we end the episode. Wait. L. Nope. Back. L. Play. Hope you've all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.